Google Chrome in 2025. Hacks, privacy, and power tools you didn't know you needed. In 2025, Google Chrome remains the world's most popular browser, but its complexity has grown, and most users still don't tap into its full potential. Whether you're using Chrome on desktop or mobile, there's a lot going on under the hood that can dramatically improve your experience. From secret settings that supercharge speed to built-in tools for productivity, Chrome is more than just a place to type in URLs. Let's dive into what's new, what's powerful, and what every Chrome user should be doing right now. One of the biggest changes in Chrome this year is the evolution of the Chrome Memory Saver and Energy Saver modes. Initially introduced in 2023, these features are now far more customizable and accurate. Chrome automatically detects which tabs are inactive and pauses them, reducing memory usage by over 40% on average. Users can now whitelist certain tabs to keep them active at all times. Great for music, timers, or ongoing chat apps. The Energy Saver mode dims backgrounds and reduces frame rates on low battery, extending device life noticeably on laptops. What's more, the advanced tab grouping feature now uses AI to suggest groupings based on user behavior. This means your work, entertainment, shopping, and research tabs get organized into color-coded silos without you lifting a finger. The second major trend in Chrome 2025 is around Privacy Sandbox and third-party cookie control. With Chrome phasing out third-party cookies entirely by Q3 of this year, many users are unaware of how this affects their browsing. Google's Privacy Sandbox introduces new APIs like Topics and Fledge to replace traditional tracking. Users now have a dedicated privacy dashboard where they can view which topics Chrome believes they're interested in and delete them at will. The Add Topics interface is visually clean and user-driven. Typing commands like delete history last hour or create doc right in the address bar executes the action immediately without opening new tabs. There's also the command menu, Shift, Control, Space, inspired by developer tools, which gives you a fast way to manage tabs, bookmarks, history, and extensions with keyboard-only input. These features reduce distractions and make Chrome a control center instead of just a portal. Lastly, there's a creative revolution in how Chrome can be customized visually and functionally. With the launch of the new Chrome Themes Lab, users can build custom themes with AI-generated backgrounds, gradient tab colors, and even icon redesigns. These themes can now sync across devices and change based on time of day or mood input. Extensions are now grouped into categories like focus, security, fun, and AI. This includes things like AI writing tools in browser, smart summarizers, and grammar checkers that work inside any form field. More advanced users can now run Chrome extensions built with Python using WebAssembly integration, expanding what the browser can do far beyond JavaScript. It's no longer just about browsing. It's about crafting a digital environment that matches your goals, personality, and workflow.